In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 50 and 200-day moving average on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your chart inside ThinkorSwim, and you want to click on this Studies button up top to the top of the chart, and it's going to open up your Edit Studies menu. In here, you want to go to Studies, and you want to look for Daily SMA, okay? So this is basically the daily simple moving average. So just double click on it to actually add it over here to your indicators, and then double click it again to add another one. So we're gonna make this one in a 50-day and then this one into 200. So just click on the first one, click on the settings button at the far right, and then over here the aggregation period should be day, make sure it's day, and then the length here should be 50 days because that's what we're doing, and click on OK. Now here this has been set. For the second one, click on the settings again, and then make sure it's day again, and the length should be 200 over here. Click on OK again, and of course you can customize anything else if you want to, and then when you're done, click on apply and click on OK, and there we go, you've successfully added these to your chart. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.